Thank you for visiting with us at The Patrick and Stephanie Show, where we feature tips and tricks to help you get found, get noticed, and raise your brand awareness. Every Monday and Friday, we share our digital marketing tips on how to increase your online brand awareness. Patrick here. Today, I am pleased to feature Steal my surprising 6 tips for a killer sales pitch to close the next deal. Do you know these 11 sales pitch ideas and 10 jaw-dropping sales pitch examples? What is a sales pitch? Your sales pitch is a short sales presentation in which you explain the nature and the benefits of your business. These presentations are also referred to as elevator pitches because they are supposed to be delivered in the time it takes to ride an elevator from the first floor to the floor on which you will exit the elevator. The 6 tips I use to create a killer sales pitch. 1. Make it short. 2. Make it clear. 3. Explain who your customers are. 4. Explain the problem they're facing. 5. Explain how your product addresses their needs. 6. Describe what success will look like as a result of using your product. The sales pitch framework. After you have shared your sales pitch with your prospective client, time permitting, you can expand and engage in conversation and provide compelling information to your customer. I use the following sales pitch framework to create my detailed presentation. Middle. Problem. Middle. Value statement. Middle. How we do it. Middle. Proof points. Middle. Customer stories, and finally, middle. The engaging question. My secret sauce to creating killer sales pitches, my 11 sales pitch ideas for you to use. 1. Tell a story. 2. Include a value proposition. 3. Personalize the sales pitch. 4. Switch up your pitch. 5. Practice your pitch. 6. Try not to use metaphors. 7. Create a wow moment. 8. Appeal to emotions. 9. Back it up with facts. 10. Tap into their fear of missing out. 11. Educate them. Conclusion, and the takeaway. Finally, to inspire you when you need to create a new sales pitch, check out the following 10 jaw-dropping sales pitch examples. They're short, customer-focused, and convey value to your client in a compelling way. The companies whose sales pitches are listed below have found them to be effective in raising their brand awareness and increasing their reach. Middle. Merck. Middle. Gap Incorporated. Middle. G2 Crowd. Middle. Ben Jones. Middle. Edward Jones. Middle. Thrivent Financial. Middle. Hub Spot. Middle. Vidyard. Middle. Lisner. Middle. Zackley. You will be able to quickly use the information outlined above when you click on the HubSpot website below. Hop on their website now, the URL source of the above bulleted items. This information will help you to get some actionable and detailed information to empower you to effectively utilize each one of the things I have shared above. The URL for the above information is at https://blog.hubspot.com/sales/sales pitch examples. Let me know how you like my podcast on my 6 tips for a killer sales pitch to close that next deal, and 11 sales pitch ideas and 10 jaw-dropping sales pitch examples. Please share your sentiments in the comments section. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our video. We deeply appreciate your doing so and hope that you enjoy our sharing our information concerning tips and tricks to help you get found, get noticed, and raise your brand awareness. Stephanie and Patrick signing off until next time.